If you're still introducing yourself to ChatGPT every single morning, you're using it like it's 2023. The people getting the most out of AI right now never have to explain themselves twice. AI memory means the model carries facts about you forward, your business, your tone, your team, and your recurring projects, without repasting context. One fact at a time, it learns your world. This is the actual unlock for your workflow, not just another AI gimmick. There are 3 things to put in memory today. First, your business in 1 paragraph. Describe what you sell, who you sell to, and exactly what your unique voice sounds like. Second, the people who matter, your team's names and their specific roles. Include key clients and recurring vendors so the AI knows the context of every email you draft. Third, your non-negotiables. These are the decisions you have already made. Store your formatting preferences, your banned phrases, and your standard operating procedures. Memory is powerful, which means it is a genuine risk. Don't store passwords, client medical info, or anything you wouldn't want someone to see over your shoulder. Make sure you audit what is saved every few weeks to keep your data clean. I'm dropping the exact 6-line About Me block for you to paste into memory this weekend, plus the exact prompt that pulls that info out of your head in about 90 seconds. It is all in this week's Practical AI Shortcut. The link is right below.